Hello everyone, so in today's video I'll show you how you can capture competitor traffic and target the same user as your competitors are getting. So I'll show you how to use performance max and audience signals to target the competitors side. So let's get into the screen. So we are on my screen and today I will show you how to use competitor website to target their visitor. So if you have a online store, if you are selling the same product as your competitors are doing, and if competitors are doing better or in they have a lot of traffic, then you can capture their traffic and switch the customer to your website, and that way you can get more customer, you can reach out to most relevant users of your product. So to do that in the Performance Max, I always ask you to test different asset groups for different audiences. So there's one more asset group which I will suggest you to test and see the performance, that is competitors website. So you can create the audience list of competitor websites. So I'll show you how you can do it. So first of all, log in your account and then go to the audiences sections. Under the audience sections you can create multiple audiences, and after the audience you can find custom segments. So click on custom segments. There you can create multiple custom segments. So we will create one more just for our competitor website. So we can give it a name, competitors traffic, and there you can see the options: people with any of these interest or purchase intention, people who search for any of these terms. So we don't want to target either of these two options. So there's an option, people who browse types of websites. So if let's say if we are selling alcohol, we are selling shoes, similar kind of websites, so competitor will be more relevant. So then you can put the competitor's website here, and I'll show you where you can find the competitor. So if you are running a shopping campaign, you must have merchant center created, and under the merchant center you can find the visibilities of your competitor website. So on the left hand side you can find the option, summary. Click on summary option. There you can find the product stats, clicks, data, and you can also find who has the similar visibility, the competitor who have the similar visibility. Click on view details. There you will be able to find out the similar visibility of your competitors. So you see the first 30% of relative visibility, overlap rate, higher positions. So you can take out the competitors from merchant center and create the audience list using for the ones who have the similar visibility or better visibility than you. Then you can hit the save button once you have added all the competitor traffic website. So you now have created the audience list. Now you can go into your Performance Max campaign and add that audience list in your asset groups. So first of all, select the asset group where you want this audience list to be implemented. And there click on audience signals, and under the intersection you can click on here, and there once you search on there you can find the custom interest options, the one that we created, competitors traffic. So that is how you can target the visitor who visited our competitor website
and engage the relevant users toward our website. So this will increase the likelihood of conversions and definitely increase your conversion value.
And that's how you can target using that asset group and audience signals of competitors website to target their users. I hope the information shared above was helpful. Do try that out and comment us below the results, and we would love to hear from you. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.